Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the multi-lift personal transfer lift system shown for use with the Speedy-Bar hinge adapter in a Jeep Renegade. The multi-lift, as you may know, is a multiple-purpose lift designed around the unique idea that one lift can solve all of your lifting and transferring problems. So the same lift we will use to lift you into the passenger front of your Jeep Renegade could also be used to lift a wheelchair into the rear of many vehicles. The same lift could also be used in your home to lift you into and out of bed, into and out of the bathtub, onto and off of the toilet, or even in conjunction with a portable base called the Easy Base. But it doesn't stop there. Swimming pools, RVs, UTVs, ATVs, hot tubs, you name it, we probably have made an adapter in the over 25 years of product development that we've had with the multi-lift system. So how does it work? Let's show you. This is a Speedy-Bar hinge adapter that involves no modification of your vehicle whatsoever. We simply put it in place. It's hooked on the hinge of the vehicle, very solid. We have nearly 500 vehicles that we've developed that product for. So no drilling, no modification of the electrical system because it's a cordless product. You simply charge the lift up every once in a while and use it when you're ready to go. The sling system does not require any lifting of the person because, as you see, it goes around the back of the person, around the sides of the thighs, but not underneath the person. And this is designed around the idea that if you're able to lift a person to put a sling on, then why do you need a lift? Our first step here then is going to be to connect the sling to the user, to the lift. Hope you enjoy watching the video here in a cold upstate New York winter. But it shows you that if you can do it in this kind of environment, you can do it virtually anywhere. Once we're up and off of the wheelchair, we're going to turn to face into the vehicle. Once we're in sufficiently, we move into the vehicle and down. Once we're inside, we disconnect the sling. Tuck the sling out of the way. Put the lift aside, stow it in the rear. Remove the speed bar.